Good morning, students. Today we are going to recapitulate about our chapter Limits of Mind. Before discussing this chapter, I want to ask you something. Have your grandparents told you about Mahabharata before going to bed? And nowadays the serial is also being telecasted on TV. Have you seen Mahabharata? देखा बेटे आपने? Okay. So, do you know about Mahabharata? Mahabharata is an Indian ancient epic where main story revolves around the cousins Kauravas and Pandavas, and they are having the battle in Kurukshetra for the throne of हस्तिनापुर. वो हस्तिनापुर का सिंहासन पाने के लिए कौरवास और पांडवास के बीच में लड़ाई हुई थी कुरुक्षेत्र में. So the Mahabharata is about this battle, and now we will read about an event that was happened in Mahabharata. The story of Eklavya. Do you know who was Eklavya? Eklavya was a boy who was born in the poor family. A boy of lower caste lived away from the Hastinapur. Why they were living away from the Hastinapur? Because they were shunned by the society. They were avoided by the society. See beta, nowadays it not happen, but in the earlier days it happens. The society is divided into two castes, low born and the high born. जो पुअर फैमिली में पैदा होते थे they were called the low born people, and those who were born in the rich family they were belongs to the high caste. But nowadays it doesn't happen because we all are equal, and according to our mythology and according to our social reformers, or according to us also, the God is one. As our founder of Arya Samaj, Swami Dayanand Saraswati, he also believed in monotheism. Do you know what is monotheism? Monotheism means God is one. क्या आप लोगों को भगवान ने अलग बनाया हमारे से? सबको एक जैसा बनाया ना. ये हम लोग ही हैं जो अपनी सोसाइटी में लो बॉर्न और हाई बॉर्न जो हैं वो ये कर रहे थे. सो देर आर सो मेनी सोशल रिफॉर्मर्स, एंड वन ऑफ आवर founder of Arya Samaj, Swami Dayanand Saraswati ji, has also worked on this about various social evils in the society. बहुत सामाजिक बुराइयों के बारे में उन्होंने उनके खिलाफ लड़े हैं. about child marriage and social equality, idol worship, right to educate. So पहले ज़माने में ये बहुत ज़्यादा कुरीतियाँ होती थी और आज के टाइम पे ये चीज़ें नहीं होती. But there is a difference between low caste and the high caste. So that's why Eklavya was a boy of lower caste and who lived away from the Hastinapur, and his mother and father also always telling him that not to go too near to the high born people because they belongs to low caste and they were shunned by the society. That's why they were living away from the Hastinapur. So we will read next. One day he saw Kuru prince with their Guru Drona who came to forest for practicing archery. एक दिन कुरु द्रोणा अपने जो शिष्यों को पांडवों को सिखाने के लिए आए आर्चरी फॉरेस्ट में, एंड his family, the Eklavya's family, asked him to not to go to the high born people. So he was hiding behind the tree and he was looking at him how they are practicing archery, and he was very much impressed with Guru Drona. He was impressed to see their skills in archery and requested Drona to teach him archery. और उनका भी मन किया आर्चरी सीखने का, तो उन्होंने गुरु द्रोणा को आर्चरी सिखाने के लिए रिक्वेस्ट किया, बट गुरु द्रोणा रिफ्यूज टू डू दैट. Guru Drona refused to do that because he was belong to low caste. See बेटा, in earlier times जब लो कास्ट के जो पर्सन्स थे और हाई बॉर्न, अगर उनकी कोई परछाई भी हाई बॉर्न पे पड़ जाती थी तो वो जाके अपने पूरे रीति रिवाज से नहाते थे, फिर अपनी सोसाइटी में वो रहने के लिए जाते थे. मीन्स if I belongs to low caste, my shadow felt on you. If you are on high caste, it's a ritual to wash yourself in order to continue to take part in the society. So that's why Guru Drona don't want to teach archery to एकलव्य. तो इसलिए उनको वो नहीं सिखाना चाहते थे. Then एकलव्य started practicing archery. एकलव्य ने अपने खुद से प्रैक्टिस करने शुरू कर दिया आर्चरी. हाउ बेटा? He cut down the tree trunk and patted a statue of Guru Drona after him. And he started practicing archery. वो सोचते थे कि मेरे पीछे गुरु द्रोणा खड़े हैं और मुझे सिखा रहे हैं. तो after that एकलव्य become a good archer. When Drona came to know, next time when again Guru Drona visited to the forest, and when Guru Drona came to know about it, he demanded the एकलव्य's right thumb. उन्होंने एकलव्य का क्या मांग लिया बेटा? राइट थंब एज गुरु दक्षिणा. क्यों मांगा उन्होंने? बिकॉज ही वॉज पार्शियल. वो चाहते थे कि अर्जुन जो है वो गुड आर्चर बने, ना कि एकलव्य, क्योंकि उन्होंने उसे सिखाया नहीं था. एकलव्य ने तो एकलव्य वॉज हैविंग द स्ट्रॉन्ग डिटर्मिनेशन. उन्होंने खुद से सीखा था, बट वो चाहते थे, गुरु द्रोणा बहुत पार्शियल थे और वो चाहते थे कि जो है वो अर्जुन जो है वो बेस्ट आर्चर बने. तो दैट्स वाई ही वांटेड एकलव्य, ही डजंट वांट टू एकलव्य बिकम ए गुड आर्चर. ही टेक्स द राइट थंब एज गुरु दक्षिणा. And after that एकलव्य cut his right thumb and offered it to Guru Drona. और उन्होंने अपना राइट थंब कट कर दिया and he offered to Guru Drona. And after he learned to shoot with left hand and the feet. Yes beta, if strong determination is there, if we are having strong determination in our life, we can do anything. So as Eklavya has also done the same, Eklavya wanted to become a good archer and he again started practicing the archery with his left hand and feet. Later on, many years later, at the time of महाभारता, जब महाभारत का टाइम आया और कौरवास और पांडवास के बीच में लड़ाई हुई, एकलव्य ऑफर्ड ही सर्विसेज टू द्रोणा. एकलव्य ने अब हेल्प किया, ही वांटेड टू हेल्प द्रोणा एज, क्योंकि एज हिज फेवरेट पीपल अर्जुन वॉज फाइटिंग अगेंस्ट हिम एंड गुरु द्रोणा वॉज स्टैंडिंग विद कौरवास इन द बैटल and Arjun was fighting against him and Guru Drona and Eklavya offers his services to Guru Drona. And according to Eklavya, what Eklavya gives the lesson to Drona now, God make us equal. उन्होंने उनको सीख दी कि गॉड ने तो हमें इक्वल बनाया था. जो लिमिट्स ऑफ माइंड आर इन अवर लिमिट्स आर इन अवर माइंड. जो ये हमारी सोच ही है, जो हमारी सोच जो हमारे माइंड को छोटा कर देती है. एंड रियल करेज, और रियल करेज वही होता है, रियल करेज इज़ फाइटिंग अगेंस्ट अ रॉन्ग लिमिट. और हमें उन रॉन्ग लिमिट्स के रोकने से रुकना नहीं चाहिए थे. एंड रिस्पेक्टिंग द करेक्ट वंस, और हमें राइट काम करते जाना चाहिए. He gave the lesson, he gave the values to Guru Drona that you are a guru and you have done this thing to me, but limits of mind is only in your mind. We can control the limit if we are having the strong determination in our life. Then Eklavya filled his eyes एकलव्या की आंखें नम हो गई एंड सैड एकलव्या, द्रोणा की आंखें नम हो गई, द्रोणास फिल्ड हिज आइज एंड एकलव्या यू टोट मी ए ग्रेट लेसन, एंड एकलव्या को उन्होंने बोला गुरु द्रोणा ने कि आपने मुझे एक बहुत अच्छा लेसन सिखाया है। थैंक यू बेटा, एंड रिवाइज योर चैप्टर अगेन एंड अगेन।